Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Sleep Cheap. Right. Let's do this. I'm gonna swap CVD back. Wait, let me just slow the music a little. By the way, let me know if the music is too loud. Maybe I can do this. Let me see, 1 second. All right. Might be another range day. Yeah, I wouldn't be shocked if it happens. Whole week, man. What's up, dudes? Jack. Good morning, Jack. X. Good morning, everyone. Let me take away speed of tape. I'm going to start using... Wait. I'm gonna start using CVD quite a bit more. I did some back testing and... yeah, it's really powerful. I'm just curious, how do I get the boxes? Wait, let me see. Okay. No, not this. How are you doing backtest using FX Deepcharts? CVD gang, I never use speed of tape, lol. Like, speed of tape is good, but I feel like CVD is... you get more information. Like, you can see the pressure of the market. And it's easier to spot the absorption. You can do it with speed of tape as well, but CVD is much more simpler. And actually gives more context. Let me just make sure. Wait, what is that? I'm looking for... you know the boxes? I don't know if you remember from Andrea Chimi's... Andrea Chimi did a video about it. At the bottom, there should be like numbers with boxes. So you can see like the delta. Yara, all of that. Well, let me see if I can find it. If somebody knows what I'm talking about, please let me know. What's the name of it? Deep wall, deep maybe deep stats? Ah. Yeah, okay, this looks really terrible. Okay, and then you can set threshold. Why does it look like this? What's up, Alp? What's up, Sahir? Already in a quick short. All right, nice. Good luck with that one. Yo, why does it look like this? Wait, let me see. Nah, man, I don't have to... I swear, Andrea had it in another way. Plot settings. Font size. Reverse order. Don't tell me I gotta zoom in like this just to see something. Who the hell trades like this, man? Ah, okay, it's fine. For now, screw it. I would implement it later, some other time. Okay, shall we start? First and foremost, always check news. Wednesday, nothing on my end. What are you looking for today? Buy or sell? Yeah, we're gonna get into it. You have to zoom in. Andrea has it split and zoomed. Ah, that's quite unfortunate then. Okay, we shifted lower. We came up. Let's read the narrative. We came up. Rejected again up here. Push lower. I'm leaning toward being more bearish today, but let's see what the market gives us. Rejected twice up here. And looks like we're forming a range right now at the moment. Something like this. Okay, we're at POC right now. Once again, look at this. Still in this chop. I don't know. I don't like this. Look at these low volume nodes right here. Will we rebalance them? Or will we go up now? Okay, let's do this. Good morning, doctor. Why do you use CVD if the volume profile already shows? It doesn't show you. CVD shows you the pressure of the market. It shows much more. It shows you absorption. Like, it makes everything clear. I don't know how to explain it. It's take this for example. The volume profile won't show you this. Here. Say that price made a higher high, higher low, but CVD made a lower low. You know, you can read the correlation like this. You can look at this, for example. Say that they try to push it above here. They failed on price, but volume managed to go above here. Well, that means buyers absorbed. They had pressure, but they failed. So you can't read that so much from the volume profile. Volume profile just shows you. Why can't I delete this? I swear. Deepcharts, bro, and annotations, bro. Swear it's the worst thing. For some reason, bro, if they implemented, like, why is it choppy even? If they implemented like a trading view, it would be perfect. Okay, thank you. No worries. Hi from Turkey. The profile framing you have is the same, like, just different. Yeah. By the way, did you back this 40 range chart to so far? I see that 40 range works well with trending markets. That's my fortune. Yeah, 40 range. It works good, but I don't know, trending markets. $40 range works good in ranging markets, but there's a lot of fake outs. That's the issue. But in trending markets, yeah, you can also use 40 range. Why not? But I have backtested most on the 1 minute, not so much on 40. What is this indicator showing orders in deep charts? Deep trade, something like that. What is your thoughts on the market? I think we are ranging, and I think the market is quite boring. It's dull. Okay, thank you. What's up, Ping? By the way, did you guys hear about the news? Mr. Baron Trump, the final boss of Inside Trader, he managed to make, what was it, 120 million extra in trending days, 40 range with F for good, stop. Yeah, it's good with that. Yeah, is that the RTH? Yeah, it is. The left one is the RTH chart, only regular trading hours, so cash session only. The right one is extend. I made, should I trade or leave this market? From the looks of it, how it opened up, yeah, maybe yeah, maybe let's stay out of till now. For now, we haven't done anything. Look at the volume, the whole week the same. You are the final boss. Okay, goat. What's up, Ricky? Yeah, bro, he made $120 million again. Yo, at this point, I swear. Baron Trump, Inside Trader, huh? My guy all in. He put in, or maybe not all in, but he put in a lot of $1 million before Trump announces the stuff. This is the 5th time, I think. Bro, he became a billionaire in Bob is the final boss of all insiders. I got the information, bro. I got the information. While his father sends 1,000 troops and starts a war. Yeah, exactly. Bro becomes a billionaire by I swear. Hello, have a wonderful day, Serge. Hello, Victor. It's a funny word, huh? It's a hilarious, funny word. Fucking hell. Whoop, market is moving now. Oi, oi, oi. Can turn off this for now. Look at the CVD. Pressure from, look how much sellers are pushing. Selling soon, lots of sell delta on that. Sellers absorbing the buyers. Bullish session per favor. My Apple trade needs to pay. Look at the buy delta, the buy aggression. Look at the left side of the volume profile. Boom, 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 boom. Look at all of this, bro, getting destroyed. What do we think? We're gonna revisit poke and value area low. There's a what is it called? There is a model. Wait, let me just make sure. Hello? Why is it stuck? Okay, oh my god, I swear. You can't drag the upper one. Ah, I see. What? Look at the CVD and look at the results. A lot of buy pressure, fail, absorption at the top. One aggressive approach is this. This is something I'm testing, but it's based on CVD. Really tight stop loss. But I see that it works a lot better with big orders instead of just plainly like this. This is more price action, so it's not so much on my bad. It's CVD foremost. It's not so good, I'm gonna be honest, but it has some results. Then you go break even now, risk-free trade, and see if it sends it lower. And it's purely because of the CVD, what we just analyzed. Okay, we break even. Maybe I'm too close to the mic. We are break even. I like to aim down to value area low. I'm gonna trail my stop loss if we expand below this low right now. Okay, we're up $800. Let me secure some money. So when it touch poke, if I don't get a good flush through, most likely I won't get it, but I'm gonna trade my stop loss above here to secure at least. There's your flush, no reaction. Here I'm securing $1,000 and I'm gonna hold it till value area low. What's that? 1 to 3 at the moment, right? Let's see. At the moment, I can't drag it. Oh no, it's a 1 to 4. Okay, I'm killing it there. Where did it kill it? Ah. I saw the buyers here and they got accepted. That's why I wanted to kill it. Okay, first trade 4.3R. We're up $1,000. Okay, on to the next one. Do you have a mechanical system from a bias to entry to exit? No. Or I have one. Yeah. I want to see some evidence, like big trades. In this this case, it would CVD. But yeah, that's my only mechanical. But then I read the price action. Like this is what I took from Fabio, and it's you see how price reacts. Okay, that's it. That's the difficult part, if I'm gonna be honest, because you have to time it good, and you get a good sense of, okay, they came up, rejected, and then in 1 second you can go woof, send it. That's the difficult part. I'm still working on that, of course. Can you explain how you read and how you identify good zones in the RTH chart? I'm leaning towards not looking at the RTH chart that much anymore, because this is more of a long-term. I have noticed that I don't want to be such a 1 trade, 2 trades per day. How I identify good zones? Bluntly and purely just like this. When price comes in here, up here in this area, I see that we rejected twice. I just think like this, okay? Price comes up here. Okay, what do we know? We rejected once, twice, and we shifted lower. So institutionals are pushing it lower. So all I know is that, okay, this is a good place area to sell. Okay, that's all. And after that, what the hell? Bro, remove. After that, I just go to the right chart and just try to find a sell. That's it. That's also a thing I see in backtest. If they can't pass POC with aggression and there is weakness, most of the time they turn back to... Nice. Yes. Yes, Alp. I like it, man. Yo, that's really good, bro. I like it. That's true. I thought... Yo, that came like a shock, to be honest, because I sat a lot with the backtesting, and what you just said is true. So when you see it flush through it, then usually we go back to... We continue. But if they get rejection, we go up. And they usually take you out for break even. That's why I wanted to kill it if they reject it. Very good, man. I'm up 1k on that short TP on view. Nice, bro. Bueno, Pablo. Double retry. Nice, nice. Yeah, we're up $1,000 today as well. Hopefully it won't become like yesterday. 1 trade and you sit 1.5 hours doing nothing. Holy shit, look at the dry up. Yo, this was a good answer for the guy that questioned, why do you look at CVD? Just purely because of this, as we saw. Reading pressure. Okay, value area low. The best thing about this is that I can lose 3 trades now in a row and I'll break even for the day. Do you trade orb setups? IVB, I have it as a narrative, so when I see it activate itself, then I tend to take trades in the direction, but I notice something. So when IVB creates this is orb, technically, but I guess better. When IVB activates itself and say we break below here and we reject really fast, yeah, we usually go up. But even though the IVB says, yeah, we're gonna go lower, we usually go up. However, pencil, okay. However, say that IVB, that we do something like this, and then IVB activates itself, we usually reject up here. We come up here, and then you take that play. Go back test it, see it for yourself. What the fuck is this shit? Let me turn off this. This might be a play. Here, I'm gonna run you through it. I have profits to risk, and this is value area low. So watch at the closer now. Watch at the next candle. This is not financial advice. Don't follow this, okay? Now look at the next candle. If it comes down here, rejects, and then flips high, flips over bullish, that's a long then. Now we didn't get it. Would I take it now after it came up here and started to reject here? No chance. No chance. It's lower probability now. Because at best, say here, price comes lower. Say it didn't go up here, it came lower, rejected again. You take a long here. You have really tight stop loss. So if buyers want this really clearly, next zone where sellers will have to re-enter, like where they will have to fight again, is up here. And when it reaches up here, you go break even. You already break even. It's a risk-free trade. But now when it touched here and rejected, I wouldn't take it. And this is, it's low probability basically. What's up, Ryan? Oh, interesting. Sellers failing at the bottom twice now. Very interesting. Let's see. Yeah, they failed twice. In this level, the absorption level from the sellers before. Now, if you would take a long here, this is the next zone. So it's a small risk reward and it's not the best. Let's look at the reaction. Okay. same idea again. You could take this up here, but then you go break even already, and it can come back, flick you out. If you want to take those trades, take them. These are really breadcrumbs of trades. You scalp up. This is really hyper scalping. Would I take it now? No. We already came up here. We're starting to reject. Here's the battle. No point. It might go higher, but that's it. I don't care. Okay, we close above. If this fails, where do we go? Back up here. One to one, 1 to 3. If this is your type of trading, then by all means you could take it. But I don't like it. Not this small. I like to do these plays into value area low or value POC. Like here, it was really clear. I took this play because I had somewhere to aim, right? And look at the risk reward. It was a 1 2 4 first trade, and this is a 1 to 1. This is a 1 to 3, but first you have to come past this, and who knows if we do that, and yara yara. By the way, I'm gonna do some YouTube videos. Today is my YouTube day where I'm gonna plan on doing some content for YouTube. I want to know, do you guys have any problems with trading? Not something so generic like, yeah, I don't know where to mechanical setup, bro. I can show you it in 20 seconds, 10 seconds how to do it. I mean something else, something more like, have you problem with FOMO? Have you problem with finding an edge? Hi bro, what filter do you have on your big trade? 60. When to? I swear, Martin, I'm gonna kill you. Fucking. That timing is hard. Sometimes it just explodes. It comes with times. It comes with time. No worries, bro. It comes with time. It's the last of your problems. Trust me. Number of orders not showing because you got a feeling for it, Alp. Number of orders not showing deeply like yours. How to do? I don't know. How to identify balanced market? Like this. Look at the volume profile. Like from this lens, it's a P shape, right? So it depends on how you plot it. And from this lens, it's a balanced market. So when volume, the majority of volume is in the middle, this is balance. All of this. But it depends how you want to trade. If you want to trade it like this, more scalping wise, say you do something, I don't know, bro, we can use this maybe. I don't know, this is B shape, then you try to take the short here, yara yara, back to poke. Have you made any deals so far? Yeah. One trade. It was a 1-4. This one. Do you drag it from the arrow or from the... If it's from the number, it's 1-4. It's from arrow, it's... Who cares, bro? Ah, yeah, that's the trade. Different ways to use deep trades. Okay. How to mark right. How to mark right the volume profile, not by time. Okay. Basically, how to plot the volume profile. I showed up late. Did you do anything for pre-market bias wise? And when you mark up your volume, is it just based on the info you need, swing point range, or is it exactly this? The thing you said in the beginning. It's based on the information I want. What's up, Rio? Yeah, okay. Yo, how's it going? Any trades? Yeah, one trade. 1-4, 1-5, or something like that. One trade only. We're up 1k now. So okay. So everybody wants to know the how to trade it. Nobody has any problems with the mental part, huh? I assume people here first need the edge and then they can battle with the mental part. I think that's the most that's a logical approach. First you need the edge and then you can battle with the mental part when you have an edge. I'm gonna change the settings on this volume profile. It looks terrible. Maybe I should look like this, so I'm not screaming in your ears. Yeah, search up AMT. It's all there for free. Yeah. That's the point. We need a real strategy before getting mind. Yeah, but like everything is out. You guys know it. I can say now, everyone here knows enough. But if you just have to put it together. Is your chart colors a deep charts color scheme, or did you make it, lol? I got it from Martin, but I think Martin took it from Luca. Something like that. I've seen it, or maybe from Fabio. I don't know. But, no, this is not a colors. This was created. Yeah. I'm looking for a retest on 34,600. To take how long? To see if how long is possible. Okay. Do trading. ASMR. Oh, hell no, bro. What happened to Fabio? No sign of life? No videos? No tweets? I don't know, man. The war. I guess, bro, is on a run. I don't know. He's fucking taking shelter, bro. I really don't know what's happening. What my G is doing. This is interesting. You know something I've seen? When you have absorption at the top and you want to take a sell here, usually it rebalances all the way up here, flicks you out before, and then goes. But yeah, this can be a good setup to continue lower. Look at the absorption of the buyers. They got him. Right, he's in the UF. Yeah, exactly, he's there. I don't know if he's now there. I don't know where. But look at this now. He's gonna go up. Flick this out most likely. Wait, gap. Every time I take a trade where I take a short here, stop loss above, it goes up, takes you out, and then maybe reverse. Just like that. Some bullshit. So I don't trust this too much. This looks really clean for a sell, right? Buyers on the top, sellers below. I don't know, man. I lost too much trading it. Look at this, the CVD. Are you noticing it? What is CVD doing? Look at this high. And what is price? Can somebody in the chat tell me what's happening here? Let's learn together, huh? Let's read the market together. So price did a higher high. CVD. Lower high. What happened? Divergence. Nice. I'm trading on one NQ mini and my chart is different than yours. Yeah, TradingView has it's tick data. Or what it's called. It's not wait. Oh, you mean okay, I thought you meant the volume. I don't know then. Too much effort, zero results, seller absorption. Divergence. Oi, oi, oi. But I want to know. Can you guys seller's absorption? Price managed to go higher, but look at the effort from the volume. It didn't manage to go above this. I think this is why this failed. I'm not gonna give people answer, okay? I'm gonna you guys, I want people to think, okay? I'm not gonna answer. I want you to think. Take it slow, it's no stress, and it's fine if you say wrong or yeah. Isn't it a sign of exhaustion? What does the divergence mean to you, long or short? Now, I'm not gonna just say it bluntly. This is how you learn. You gotta think on your own. We got a reaction from previous balance area of delta level. I'm waiting. Do you see this? I'm waiting. And do you also see this? It's a B shape. And this is value area high. It looks muy bien. Very good. Buys try to push there or too slow, so the seller are stealing because of the CVD, or like you see it in CVD, we're going to fall. Isn't that a bearish divergence down there? Wait, down there. Wait 1 second. I just want to see what happens now in this area. 1 second. What the hell is this music, man? Higher highs in price, lower highs in the CVD. Buyers getting exhausted. I can tell that everyone is so focused on this, the buyers getting shit on. But guys, price managed to move higher. CVD with this amount of pressure. Okay? This amount of pressure, this choppiness and this this pressure managed to push price above. Okay, is it clear why we are losing here now for the sellers? I noticed that everyone is so focused on the buyers getting, like they are losing, but look at it. These sellers, how can I say it in a good way? Maybe it was clear now. Did you guys could you show us your indicator settings? Which one? Intro session after long time. Yeah. Okay, but look at this. Price moved higher. CVD had a problem going up. However, if price managed to move higher this much with this choppiness, I think sellers are losing control, not buyers. And I noticed that, I don't know if somebody wrote that. Did somebody wrote that? I always look at price, okay? Price, if you just look at the volume, it looks like the buyers are getting shit on, right? But you have to look at the price. It's the results of the volume. So they managed to push it up with this shitty pressure. That's a good indication that this is gonna, get shit on. Okay, wait. Now we are in an area where it's really interesting to see what will happen now. Let's see if we get some big seller, something. Oh my god, chart is delayed. I can just watch the stream and know where price will. What? No way, bro. Bro, if there's there was a guy that had something like that, bro. Milk it, bro. Like if you're in a prop firm and you have a delay and my thing is ahead of yours, bro, milk it. Just make some money, bro. ICT talks the price will go higher. Did ICT say the price will go higher? Yeah, if you go on 40 deep trade, you'd see that many orders there and buyers are winning now. Interesting. I don't know how to say it the best, but basically with my broken English, I'm gonna tell you guys this, okay? Price managed to go higher with this shitty pressure. If they manage to go higher with this pressure, then sellers are losing control. Buyers are winning. Look at this chop. You see how it's chopping up? And price is still going higher. If sellers really had control, they wouldn't go up here. Now it's interesting to see something. Want to see some sellers here. Big sellers here. I'd like to see some absorption though. I don't know if we had this buy level here right now. I don't know if it was present, this level. But if it just appeared, then we got some absorption at the top. Just enter stream. Why did you go short above? Okay, welcome by the way. So value area high. Boom, price pushed up. Sell delta level. We push lower. Then I saw on the CVD. You can go back when I took the trade. It was 1440. It's much better if you go back and watch it. It's hard to explain it now. I explained it when I was taking it. It was I looked at the price action and CVD. But it was a value area high, short back to value area low and POC. But we took profits at POC. Why do I even have the trade up here, man? Fucking it. Yeah, I have 2 point I don't know from ICT. I heard all but I love your stream. All right, nice. Like a path of least resistance, meaning buyers are getting results on a choppy or delta divergence. Exactly. They are getting results on a I said it in a bad way maybe, but really bad pressure. It's like they are pushing it really soft and it goes. It's like, okay. And like you said, least path of resistance. Bro, sellers are not engaging that much then. So it was very clear when we came up here what's happening. And this was understandable why we would go higher. Okay, but now it's interesting to see something. Look at the buy pressure and look at if it fails. If it doesn't fail, then guys, we're gonna sit here for another hour doing nothing. Entry at low volume nodes or wait for confirmation. You're looking at that low volume node. Always confirmation. I want to see evidence. I want to see buyers losing before I enter. Got it, exactly. Bro, do you think the SMT concept's real? Smart money concept. Why do you mean like the algorithm? Or do you mean the concepts can work? Of course, they can work. But I don't think about the enigma bullshit. It's really... I swear, even when I traded ICT, when he started to talk about enigma, I made the market. Shut up. Really. Oi, look at the CVD. Now this I like. However, look at the price. You see how they pushed it lower with a lot of effort and they got absorbed at the end? Less probability, but look at the rejection now. If you reject here. And I believe, who was it that said that? I think it was Al Brooks. Look at the last 5 to 10 seconds of a candle closure and you know exactly what they want to do. And you saw at the last second how they got absorbed, or like how they pushed up. Okay, now they lost, but we have a low volume node above. Maybe that's why. Let's see if it acts like a resist. Nah, it's gonna go through. Okay, next level is up here, and then we got quite a bit of buy aggression on the left side. So they can stop anywhere where it wants. Let's go here. What is deep trades at 60 contracts? One thing I also noticed, after they push the price with less volume, there's an aggression happening after that. Interesting. Nice, bro. Alf, I like it, bro. I like it. Keep it up. I meant SMT divergence. Yeah, that's something that's tracked way back and it actually works. It's a good thing to use. Fabio said he used it also before. Tom Hugard also used it. It works. All of that can work, but you have to stay focused on it, I guess. The catalyst is real, but Enigma is only for Dota 2. Is that the session volume profile or is it the daily? The left side is the session volume profile, so yeah. This one on the right is not. This is just a swing. Do you trade rejection / pullbacks of PM low high? PM low high. Yesterday, last. Yo, what's YLOD? Yo, guys, my English is my first language, okay? These short pronunciations, I'm new to them. Lol, but why all the order for trade talks that SMT's smart money concept is Chris Laurie, okay? First of all, it's not fucking ICT. We don't trade. Yo. Oh shit. Did you guys know that oh, look at the buy aggression here. Oh my days. Did you see how it's like how it came up here? SMT. Guys, you can make money with a lot of stuff, but if you want a real edge, use order flow. A good real edge. Or you can be a price action trader, and a lot of stuff works, okay? Did you upgrade to the new software version when it came? Yeah, I did. Sorry, low pre-market high lows and yesterday's key levels. Yes and no on that answer. Yesterday's key level, yes, when we are there, but look at this, sometimes we are floating in no man lands, so yeah, I trade depending on where we are and what's happening. By the way, look at this, look at the pressure from the sellers, and again at the end they got absorbed. But look at the buy pressure here. Now this is a real cluster shit. Who is gonna win this? Can I change this maybe? If we slice through this like butter. Hello, Poke. Who knows? Who knows? I don't like these setups. Why? Because I really like more to cover myself above a high. And if you try to take a short here, you know it's a big shit. Oh my days, yeah, now we're just ranging. As you can see, we use market profile session for levels and bias. We don't do high, low, etc. Yeah, order flow is fun and I also like playing a game. Only looking PA is boring. Yeah. It's fun. It's interesting to understand why something happened rather than just seeing what happened. Now I made 4RR with SMT. Okay. It wasn't efficient buy pressure. Those buyers are cooked. Okay, never mind. He's going back. Now, yeah, let's just wait. Let's just wait. Look how POC shifted higher right now. We're building value up. And we're still neutral because IVB hasn't set in. I can remove all of this. I swear, if this is a one trade again and just done for today, you know what? This is fine. Can you get most of these volume profiles in NinjaTrader? I don't know. I haven't used it. I think you can. If NinjaTrader offers real volume, not tick data. In case it's a tick data, then it's a market profile. Okay, whilst we wait, let me play around with this a little. So these settings are disgusting on this. Let's go gamble, Pav. I'm up 2.4k. Let's go black or white. At the end of the session, bro. At the end of the stream, then we can all in and see what happens. Do you use IMB tracker? Do you mean imbalance tracker? No. It's good to use, sure, but no. Personally, I don't do it. You can use, like, you know, there's a point when you can use 100 stuff, but keep it simple. Trade something simple that you understand and can execute every time you see it. If you have too many stuff to look at, for example, say that the buyers here get absorbed and you want to take a sell, but then you see a imbalance up here. You're like, no, okay, I'm gonna wait for the imbalance fill, and then when it fills, I'm gonna go. But then then the trade goes like this, bam. It's not guaranteed that we'll fill every imbalance, so it's but it's a good thing to use if you want to use it, of course. Let's go black or white. This looks a little more cleaner. Manage, save. It looks a little more cleaner. Oi, oi, oi. Oh, don't say a fucking. Okay. Extended properties. Ranging day. What prop firm are you using? Lucid. Come on, Puff, do something. Should I make a call, guys? Should I make a call? Call somebody real quick. Then we're gonna get some volatility in the market. I like your deep trade setting. It's easily visible. Can you show us what filter you use? I use 60. 60. And I have the template in Discord. It's in Deepchart template. It's in Learning Archives. There is a post there where it says Deepchart templates. Nah. Well, damn. Looks like John Wick price action, huh? Netflix price action. POC gaming again. Say you'll end the live, Sir Mark. Yo, that's crazy. Every time I'm like, okay, guys, I'm done. It starts sending it. I'm like, bro, what? That's some bullshit. Bro, you know them when you start playing with your settings for the volume profile, then you know that the market is dead. Bro, if you have time to do this, then yikes. these colors. Properties. Plot settings. Background color. Ask. And then use this. Sure, this looks good. That save. Boom. Done. Yeah, nice. Now it looks better. Oh my god, once again I had it on. Extended. Properties. Save. Okay, like that. Let's also fix this one. That will work. We will stay there for quite some time. The zone in deep effort is overlapping. Yeah, this is such a boring thing. All right. We got 20 more minutes and I have to start taking trades, so 15 seconds we go. Is everybody ready? It's time. It's time to do something with this account. The contest should be over this week, so yeah, no chance I'm winning it. No chance. People are fucking yeah, either oi oi oi. Look at the pressure from the CVD. What the hell is that? Come on, up the puck. Come on. Oh, no, my God, bro. How much did I lose? 200, 300. Oh yeah, we're in profits, bro. Yo, we took the trade such a while ago that I forgot that I was in profit. Bro, what? Yeah, then we can risk even more. It's time, not again. Nah, don't follow this. Don't follow this. We're on the 15 seconds. We have to force trade because of the contest, okay? I'll say this once, okay? Don't follow this. Look at the absorption from the sellers here. Okay, we go 5 contracts. I want to see the reaction here. I think I was too early. Yeah, I think I was a little too early, to be honest. It's gonna come down and retest again. Oi, oi, oi. Oi, oi, oi. Let me secure 1.2k. Why not? Here, 1.4k. Thank you. We're up 2k. We need 3 more. I am on shorts. Ay, ay. One second. My dog is fucking. Hey. You see, as soon as you say you end live in 20, it moves. Oh man, bro. Bro, somebody's leading the contest with 21k. Oh shit. Yeah, ain't no chance. It's not even possible. We have 2 more days. Ah. Okay. Now on the 15 seconds. I want to see what happens. If it comes up here, reacts. I don't like this. I usually want to see it directly go up. Just touch it a little. And then see some aggression, and then we flush lower. But it went... $50 more minutes. Look at the absorption here. This is gonna go higher, I think. I really don't believe. Look at this delta level of sellers that got destroyed, man. Yeah. Who knows? Who knows? We're ranging, so it can do whatever it wants. Gap. Gap fill. If it closes bullish, I think we're gonna squeeze up here. I'm not opposed to not taking it, trying to take the squeeze up. And it took me out. I want to see the gap. I want to see the closure. Oh. Yeah, kill it. Kill it. 1 second. 1 second. We got some profits to risk. It's gonna do some Nasdaq bullshit. Come up here and take you out for nothing. Or even actually send it now. Such a typical garbage asset sometimes. How much do we have? 50 more minutes. All right, let's see. That's crazy. That's crazy. Okay, I took it out. Not gonna be in this chop. I think we're gonna still come up here and test it, but I'm not gonna be risking all of this for what? 500. Rejects again from the open high, like the short we took. What do you think, Peng? Round 2? Maybe it's round 2. Guys, we are ranging in a range and we're forming a range, okay? Holy shit. Look at this, look at this. We are ranging. No, wait. Go all the way down here, actually. We are ranging in this range. And we are in this range. We are in this range. And in this range, we are in this range. Oh, shit. And you're looking for high quality setups. Okay. For fuck's sake. It's so nasty. I don't want to engage. Don't, man. If this is your prop firm account, don't do it, okay? On Deepchart, do you see big trades in replay? Yeah. Nah, bro, I must. We will value up. We have breakout soon. Please give me something, bro. I don't really care what happens. This is crazy. We are now ranging on a 15-second time frame. Bro, just think about it. We are ranging in a 15-second time frame. This is like two. What is it? 3 candles. 3 minute. 1 minute candles. Okay, there's a flush. What? Window is too. What? What the fuck happened now? Yo. Huh? Hello? What the fuck? Okay. Bro, when I turn on CVD. All right. Amazing. Yeah, some stuff, bro, they have to really fix their stuff. Really, like what the I think in this range short scalp is the best. 12 minutes to get 12 minutes to get out of this range. Perfect time for job application, bro. Oh, by the way, look at this. You saw this IVB, what I told you in the beginning. I have seen that when you break out from IVB and we reject like this fast, we usually go up and break out to the high. I didn't even notice it. How did I miss this? Guys. We are trending. The trend line king. Maybe not available. Yeah, let's see. Maybe on the 1 minute actually. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know anymore, bro. This sometimes CVD. You have to do all of this just because it doesn't work. What the hell, bro? And now I have to... The trend line king. Tory trades. I was trying to open 5 minutes. I forgot to change from... Oh shit, okay. Do you prefer IB of 30? 30. 30. Okay, 9 more minutes. It's time, guys. It's time to execute. Screw it. We saw some rejection. It failed. Let's try it. How much do we need? 3K more. I died. Okay. Let's try again. It's a good timing so we can end this. Yo, we're gonna aim for are we gonna aim for the trend? The trend line. The trend line X. Bro, if it comes here, I'm gonna take a long just to try the trend. Fucking bullshit. Do you prefer... Okay, that's the same question, my bad. Oh, wait a second. I see why it's not going, guys. We have another trend line. Ah, makes sense. I can't fucking believe this shit. Trend in a trend. Yeah, give us the flush. Atta boy. Give us the flush. The trend is not trending. I agree. Come on, man. And now we got these buyers stepping in here. Nah, I believe in the trend. I believe in the damn trend. Yo, if we trade below this, the big bros has to say they have to cover themselves. Oi, oi, oi. Look at the momentum. Yo, check the trend line, the trend touch. Check it now. To the touch. And it's gonna... Check this shit. Look at the trend line touch. Come on, give us the touch. I want to see if it reacts. Oh my days, bro. If this doesn't hold now, it's gonna go all the way up and I'm waiting for the touch. I'm waiting for the touch. The trend line. Big boy touch. The trend is your friend until it bends. Oh shit. Tory trade, the goat, bullish pen on. Lol. We call that the bounce in the trend line, I swear. Mark is Ah, wait. I see a trend here forming in the trend. Okay, I gotta go in 4 minutes. Come on now. Stop trending. Stop trending, bro. The trend in a trend. You just love to see it, huh? Can we come down to poke at least? I think we will come down to poke, but we have to break the trends. Okay, look at the trend touch now. I think we're gonna get it. Oh, look at the 10 trot. Look at the touch. Yo! No, that's gotta be precision. No way! No way! You fucking... You gotta be joking with me. Wait. I think my trend line is not aligned good enough. You gotta be joking with me. Bro, people don't know I'm the trend warrior. This is a fucking joke. I swear, man. I swear. Do you know how to fix the time zone in Deepcharts? What's the issue? How is today's market? Look what we're doing, bro. Look at what we're doing. Perfect strategy. So this is how the market really works. Yeah, but keep in mind, only my trend lines works. Because I coded it. Fuck, sorry, though. I was not familiar with your game. Are you trading or it's demo for fun? We did take a one trade that was good, a really legit trade today, but now the market has gone boring, so we're back to... And I'm always ending the sessions with some fun. It's a fun trading like this. Yo, I wanna see the touch. Let's see a flush. Oi. Oh shit. Okay, wait. Oh no, bro. Okay, I took 3 point... Was it? I'm up 3.5k. We need... how much do we need? 1.4. It's take the green and run away kind of thing. It was the trend line, guys. Fuck it. Look at the trend. The trend break retest touch, whatever it's called. This. How much is this? Look at the touch. Look at the touch from the trend. Fucking shit, I swear. Ah, shit. Secured another 150. We're gonna come back here, I think. Another 150. We need 1.2k more. I don't think we're done. The business is not done here. There you go. Let me put the stop. I don't know where to put it. Come on, one more test. One more test. Don't do this shit. Don't do that. How much do we need? 1.2k. I want to see it come little lower and touch this before it sends it like this. You gotta be joking me. Okay, no, we have to all in. Oh, time is 4 o'clock. Okay, I have to go. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna leave it like this. If it takes it, it takes it. All right, great stream. It was a little fun. We had okay. Yeah. Let me see what you guys saying. I gotta stop watching all of learning and shit in order to name it, and this is the final. I will need to take classes from Tory Trade. It works. Oh, you're regretting 5 years, man. Oh shit, man. Where do I need it? 115k. Hey Pablo, this is the salt. Do you have the range XVM time frame? No, I don't think so. Look at this garbage. This is a fucking hell. No, okay, I don't really. Okay, screw this. Who cares about this one? Can you explain why you take the good trade? Sure. Let's end the stream that way. Let's end the stream in a good way. Okay, let me remove this because we don't. Okay, remove all of this garbage. So, for the trade that we took, I believe it was this one, right? Or? Wait, can you guys remind me what time we took the trade? No, it was this one. Okay. Now, for people that want to see what legit trade I took today. Okay. Simple. This is value area high on this swing. Okay. Significant sell delta level. Not the most significant one, but it's a delta level at least. Okay, you see this one? Came up here, rejected, push lower. When it created this candle, you can rewatch the stream. I was looking at the CVD, and let me just make sure. Wait, is it this one? This is the one, okay? On CVD, I saw this candle forming. It showed that they got absorbed. Buyers tried, but they failed at the top. This is a sign of absorption. So I put a sell limit, sell stop here, covered above. So it wasn't big trades involved in this trade, and we took a trade out for 1 to 5, 4, something like that. I think the trade was taken something like this: 1 to 4, 1 to 5. Back to poke, could have aimed here, but yeah. that was it actually. Okay. All right, that's it, guys. Got to, bro, do what you gotta do, enjoy the rest of it. Might do some bad. Okay, see you, brother. Solve your problems by getting richer, Pablo. But where's big trade? No big trade. There was no big trades. Oh, we hit the 5K win today. Amazing. Here you have the profit of the day. Well, okay, I don't even have to show it like this. I can... Yesterday, we also... Okay, there's your contest. Screw that now. It's not important. Never look at the P&L. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, okay? Never look at the P&L. We all, yeah, for today we only took, because as you see, the trades we took at the end, it's not real trading. This at the end, it was just for fun. This was a real trade, but never look at the P&L. The P&L just, it can be fake. It can be fugazi. I ask you this because in Atlas they have different type of range, like... Okay, interesting. This is more concerned, it works better. Could you look up the type of chart in Deepchart, please? Sure, let's see. We have second, minute, time, volume bars, range, volume, trade, Renko, PF. I don't know what that is. Delta. We don't have, I don't think we have that. But if you mean the range chart, it's just the range chart. Yeah, bro, Atlas range. Okay. How can you see without big trades? A CVD and price action. Wick on wick means absorption. And just to confirm it, look at CVD. You saw the candle was up here and then it closed here, right? This wick on the CVD means absorption. So I put a sell limit here, sell stop limit, to just take me in it if it's gonna go, and yada yada. Rest is just, yeah, that's it. You know, it's hard to I get so much questions about how you do stuff, what is this, what is that. It's hard to explain it specifically when I'm trading like this. The best would be to maybe like talk with people in a group chat, call or something, but this takes so much of my time as well, and I don't know. I'm gonna try to help you guys as much as I can. All right, I'm done. Good luck, everyone. Have a good rest of your day. See you tomorrow. Trade wisely. The price action is not the best, as it's been the whole week and month, actually. Take your time. Maybe call it today. Go do something else. All right? All right. Bye-bye, everyone. Have a good rest of your day.